This video we will see the product review of Google Pixel 8a smartphone. The Google Pixel 8a is a mid-range smartphone released in 2024. It offers many features which is found in premium models like AI-powered performance, great cameras and long software support, but at a more affordable price. This smartphone is designed for users who want smooth performance, high quality photos, and years of Android updates without spending flagship level money. Processor of this smartphone runs on Google's own Tensor G3 chip, which makes apps, photos, and AI tools work faster and smarter. Memory of this smartphone comes with 8 GB RAM and it has 128 GB or 256 GB storage, giving plenty of room for apps and photos. This smartphone display comes with 6.1-inch OLED screen with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, meaning scrolling, gaming, and watching videos look smooth. This smartphone comes with 4492 mAh battery, which is solid for day-to-day use. This smartphone support 18-watt wired charging and 7.5-watt wireless charging. Google states it offers over 24 hours of typical use and up to 72 hours in extreme battery saver mode. This smartphone has dual rear cameras, 64 MP main camera and 13 MP ultra wide lens. And also it has 13 MP front camera for selfies and video calls. This smartphone has stereo speakers, provide sound from two sides for better audio experience. This smartphone has a Bluetooth version 5.3, which means faster and more stable wireless audio connections with devices like headphones and speakers. This smartphone has AI features. It includes special camera tools like Magic Editor, Best Take, and Photo Unblur, all powered by AI. This smartphone has good build quality. This smartphone features a metal frame and matte back finish with IP67 water and dust resistance. This smartphone comes with Android 14 operating system at the launch and Google promises 7 years of Android updates and security patches, which ensure the phone stays secure and modern for a long time. Now we will see the pros of this smartphone. This smartphone has excellent performance for the price with the Tensor G3 chip. This smartphone comes with outstanding camera quality, especially in low light and portraits. This smartphone has a smooth display with 120 Hz refresh rate for better viewing. This smartphone has durable design with water and dust resistance. This smartphone comes with long-term support with 7 years of updates, rare for most Android phones. This smartphone has a compact and comfortable size that is easy to hold and use with one hand. What are the cons of this smartphone? Charging speed is slow, only 18 watt, while some rivals offer fast charging. Plastic back panel feels less premium than glass-packed phones. Limited optical zoom, not ideal for long distance photos. Priced slightly higher in some regions compared to older Pixel models. Now we will see customer positive feedbacks. The performance is super smooth even with heavy apps. The camera quality is amazing, especially in low light. The AI photo editing tools makes my pictures look professional. The compact design fits perfectly in one hand. The 7-year software support is a big plus. No need to upgrade often. Overall, users love its AI features, reliability, and camera quality, calling it one of the best mid-range Android phones in its category. In US, the price of this smartphone is $499 for 8 GB plus 128 GB model. In India, the price of this smartphone is 52,999 rupees for 8 GB plus 128 GB version. In India, price of this smartphone is 59,999 rupees for 8 GB plus 256 GB version.